Today we are going to look how to create a new reservation via the Quick Reservation form. Quick Reservation offers an alternative way to enter a reservation. First and foremost, this tool is intended for walk-ins at the reception. The Quick Reservation form is called by clicking on a free room in the room plan. The room is then fixed for the Quick Reservation. There is the possibility to enter guests without an entry in the guest database by entering them all under one guest number. Usually, the type of reservation is being set by default. We enter the name of the guest for a later search of reservation. This memo field is visible at the reception on the arrival and the departure list. The type of guest is usually set by default. We now select the nationality of the guest. Either the meal plan is already set by default, or we choose the meal plan for the reservation. The arrival date has been fixed by the click on the room plan. We can enter the arrival time aside if necessary. The departure date and number of nights have been provided by the click in the room plan. If that has not already been selected, the duration of stay can be entered here. We now enter the total number of people and perhaps the number of children. We select the gender for the reservation. We can define that the guest has the room on his or her own. The system will automatically block the other beds. The room used as room type is needed when it is required to change the price depending on the room type. The memo field is intended as an internal message for the reservation. These user fields are for our free disposal and can be set by default. Via the two buttons Create and Save and Check-in Create, we can define whether the entries should be stored in the background right away or whether the reservation form should be opened after having entered a quick reservation to continue the check-in process. After the quick reservation, the reservation is immediately visible in the room plan.